So the first custom ROM is one and only one of my favorite. A lot of you users already know this one. This is Resurrection Remix, one of the best custom ROMs in the terms of customizations. Unfortunately, even did not came with Android 11, I think so, or Android 12 or Android 13. Unfortunately, it's dead, but this custom was just so awesome. If you are into the custom ROM community from past 6 to 7 years or more than that, you know that this custom was a legendary ROM. Includes insane number of customizations. Right now, Instant OS, Rising OS have many more custom ROMs available in the terms of customizations, but no ROM is now close to Resurrection Remix. If you are into the custom ROM community, you know that I know that Resurrection Remix was just the best. Unfortunately, it's not updated. This custom ROM is dead, but let's hope if this custom ROM will be revived in future with Android 14, I guess, because Android 13 is gone. Second one is AEX, which is AOSP extended. It came with Android 12, I think so. I'm not sure about Android 13, but it's also dead from some time. Quite underrated, quite popular, I think so, because this is AOSP extended, basically simple AOSP ROM with some extensions, which means some customizations, some features. I tried, I remember I used this custom ROM with Android 10, Android 11 times. With Android 11, it was so stable. It was actually literally so stable with Android 11 update. Right now, I'm just sharing with you some screenshots right now. Of course, I had not installed these custom ROMs right now. I will not be able to for sure, but the screenshots are enough to tell you that how the custom ROM behaves, or maybe the things which were included in that custom ROM. We also have another custom ROM named as Descendant OS. It's not that old, but with Android 11 or Android 12 or maybe with even Android 10, this custom ROM was just so beautiful. With Android 12, this custom ROM came with some good things. For example, you have the option to customize the quick settings panel, and that quick settings panel in Descendant OS is one of the unique things about this custom ROM. It provides you the facility to customize the monet theming. You have extra gestures options and a lot more things. Unfortunately, this custom ROM is also no more available. I tried, but unfortunately, it's not present for most of the devices right now. Previously, it had the support for only few of the devices, but the custom ROM was actually good enough. I tried in Redmi Note 10 Pro. I tried in some other devices too. I guess Redmi Note 8. The custom ROM was so amazing, and I'm just missing this custom ROM too on my device. We also have another custom ROM named as Komodo OS. Not so popular, but yes, if you're into the custom ROM community, you know that this is Komodo OS. Basically same like other custom ROMs, AOSP based, which is having same kind of features or customization which you had in other custom ROMs too. Almost same, literally same here. Nothing to talk about this one, this custom ROM most of the times. Komodo OS I tried only 2 or 3 builds, I think so. Not tried most of the times, but it was good, and kind of combination or the things were not so bad, although I'm not comparing it with something else, but it was quite good. We also have the Project Lighthouse. Unfortunately, I tried only 2 builds of Lighthouse custom ROM with Android 12, and that was so satisfactory. But after that, the custom ROM just dead, and we did not got any major update. Project Lighthouse was a quite light ROM actually, had some customizations for sure. Lighthouse supplies, which means, and I tried that in Redmi Note 10 Pro or maybe Mi 11X. I even don't remember that actually, but includes same kind of features or same kind of customizations. But in the terms of performance, I think so that was not a bad deal. Here comes another beautiful custom ROM. Just that from some time, from some few months, they just announced that this custom does not exist anymore. We're talking about Project 404. The custom ROM, which is CAF based, only one of those custom ROMs CAF based, which is now actually dead. Project 404 was so good in the terms of performance because of course it's CAF based. It was so amazing. It was actually so amazing in the terms of performance. One of the best custom ROMs was definitely Project 404. It still gives you good kind of UI, provides you some customizations, etc. Not major, but only few of them. We also have another beautiful custom ROM named as Project Arcane. It was having Oxygen OS style kind of UI. I still remember when I tried Project Arcane for the first time, it was so impressive. The performance was just kind of okay, and we had some great customizations. The UI was one of the main highlights of this custom ROM, bringing you a lot of new things, a lot of new changes. Unfortunately, it's dead. I think so they just changed the name previously to Project Arcana, but still it's no more available. We had some customizations and theming, extras, etc., etc. But yes, I miss this custom room too. Was quite amazing, a great experience after using this one. One customer which I tried in Redmi Note 8 previously, I remember that, and the name is Project Radiant. It was also not available for most of the devices, I think so, and was not so popular, but was kind of okay, just kind of okay. The custom home which brings you same kind of UI features, etc. It was one of them, because this is the list containing some of the custom homes which are dead, so that's why I had included the settings UI. Was so impressive. You can see the settings UI, the card style UI. By the way, this kind of settings UI is available in some other custom homes too right now, and if you like this kind of settings UI, then you are good. Spice OS is also one of the custom homes which is dead. Unfortunately, I'm not sure about that, by the way, Spice OS, because I did not got the major update. It's not dead from some time. It's just not available from last few updates. There's another custom home named as Spark OS, which is not available from few months, or maybe even the Pixel Plus UI. But yes, these custom homes are not dead. But Spice OS kind of okay, was having same kind of options or customizations, etc. Not sure about if it is dead or not. Make sure to comment below if you know about this custom home, if it is even existed available for your device or not. But at least for my device, unfortunately, it's not present, and I did not found installing this from some time. One more custom home named as Conquer OS. It's also dead. It is actually dead. It's not present right now. I did not got any update of this custom home. I did not got any build of this custom home available for one of my devices. Brings you some options like Monet or etc. And this is Conquer OS. It was also based on Android 12. Not that old, not that new, but kind of okay, and it is also dead, and it's no more available right now. Conquer OS is also based on, I think so, AOSP, not CAF, but not sure. But if it is not existed, leave this thing. Last but not the least, we have AOSPK. What this is, AOSP Kraken project, and I remember using this custom ROM in Elioth, which means Mi 11X. The custom ROM was so impressive. AOSPK, the developer was so good, quite responsive, and got some great responses from him about this custom ROM. Was quite good and amazing. Unfortunately, it's also that no more available. But this was the list. This was all about today's short and simple video. Hope you like this. These were the custom homes I found dead. If you want to install any of these custom homes or using, let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.